Good morning and greetings and salutations, YouTube. Welcome to day 16 of Vlogmas. How are you all doing today? Oh my gosh, we are just like so close to Christmas, and I still need to get some gifts. So I'm going to try and thrift as many gifts as possible. I have placed some orders on Amazon for gifts as well. I'm like really loving Amazon right now. I don't know what it is. Ever since I got that Amazon Prime, like it's just like literally the best. So ordering some stuff on there that I think, like I placed some orders last night. They're all gonna come like Monday, Tuesday-ish. So hopefully none of the holiday hullabaloo will get in the way of shipping, because it has been kind of like detrimental in like the post office. Everything has been delivering really late, so for that I apologize. I'm so sorry. The post office is just like swamped right now. And I remember right after Black Friday, they had like this whole thing where their system and everything was just like a mess. But today we're gonna go out thrifting, which I'm very excited about, and let's go see what we can find today. Cross your fingers for me. Hopefully we can find some treasures. And let me know down below if any of you guys have been thrifting, and what have you guys been like, what have you guys been finding? Are you thrifting Christmas decor, presents? Let me know. I just found some amazing Christmas decor yesterday, and I'm gonna try and put it up tomorrow, so that should be pretty fun. But yeah, so let's go out. All right, let's check out the handbags first. I'm gonna do a quick glance because I was just here yesterday morning. But then again, they do bring out handbags all day long. Well, not necessarily, but you know, they bring out new products all day long, which could include handbags. Is this a Dooney? Ooh. Dooney. Let's see. Okay, that one was a fake Dooney, but I did spot this B. Mikowski, which I'm pretty sure is real, and it's so cute. It's like kind of small. Oh, and it has a long strap, but it doesn't have it with it. It's still cute though. Alright, you guys, I don't think I spot any other handbags. Look at this like Chanel-like bag. It's coming apart though. Spotted Louis Vuitton. No, it's fake. It's like a fake Alma. Ah, look at that. Apparently this is like my, this is gonna be like my user, or not my user photo, but imagine this is like the thumbnail photo. Too bad. Look at that. It's just like leather. I wonder how much they marked this at. Oh, 13. Okay, at least they didn't mark it for like 60 bucks. Something crazy. I'll just leave it there. I'm sure someone will probably want to pick it up. You can just put a twilly on that actually, then that'll solve that problem. So, damaged handle is not truly detrimental to the look of your handbag. There are lots of things that you can do to fix it. Prada? Fake Prada. I just saw someone with like a giant thing of garland, and I missed out on it. You snooze, you lose. Oh, this is like a cute wreath. It has just like a little thing on the side with a poinsettia. $5.99. Got a good look at it. Oh, it's stuck to his hair. Yeah, look at that. Oh, they do have this garland with the berries. Ooh, this is pretty too. Look how cute that is. I do like that. I have like a couple of those from last year. Oh my gosh, I bought the matching wreath to this yesterday. This is like from the gallery. No? Oh my gosh, it's not. Why does it match exactly? I'm gonna try and insert the photo. That is so funny. Oh my gosh, I literally thought it was like the matching one. I was checking to see if the Nespresso was still here, and it's still here. Look at that. Oh my gosh, they have 150 envelopes. I wonder how much this is. I got it, it's only $3.99. That's super cheap. Always need these. Alright, I'm looking through the tchotchkes. I had to grab a cart because that box was heavy. Oh my gosh, that's like the perfect like Halloween thing. Too bad it's not Halloween anymore. I don't really want to store it for that long. Oh, this is kind of cute. Oh, it's brass too. It's a bookend. Let's see if we can find any cool mugs. Don't you always feel like extra like into the mug mood when it's the holidays? Just want to drink some hot cocoa or something. How pretty is this vase? I found this one before. I think it was a different one though. Man, I could have started a collection. I think I found a couple of these already in the past, but I never bought them. But this one's so pretty. $7.99. I don't know, maybe we should just hold on to it. And we're just gonna keep looking around though, see what we can see. Glass pumpkins. Is this like not the cutest? Little bees. Oh, look at how pretty this thing is. From Home Goods. Some Pottery Barn? It is. The matching butter dish is somewhere here. Saw it yesterday. Oh, it's still there. Do you see it? Ooh. Yeah, there it is. Do you see it? There it is. Okay, I'm crazy. But yeah, if you're looking for the Sausalito butter dish and gravy boat in putty, I believe is the color. It's here. Goodwill. Great Gathering. Kensington. Hearth and Hand. Oh, Hard Days Night. This is like a Beatles thing. How cute is that? I actually really like that song too. You guys, look at how cute this bowl is. I love the design on it. It's very, very nice. You guys, check out this really cute Opal House like jar thing. I probably wouldn't use it as a jar. I'd probably use it as a planter. It's only $3.99. It's pretty cute. I like the design on it a lot. Oh, the struggle is real right now with all this really cute stuff. Oh, this actually is a really nice planter set. This one broke off, but I mean you can still actually use it. Pots with plant markers, 6 pieces. How much is this going for? The sticker's missing. Oh, $15. It's kind of cute. Are these candles? $7.99. Alright, I am now in the toy section and I'm looking for some toys that I can give as gifts. I'm thinking like games. I want to get the kids into like playing like board games and stuff like that. This Harry Potter like puzzle looks pretty cool though. Oh, stop it, these are so cute. I really like these little string lights. $7.99. Bubble Pong. I want like I want to get like some fun games for the kids so that like that even like Liza can play with us on like Christmas Eve, because we like to play like games and stuff, and like we spend like the whole day like hanging out, eating and all that. So I think like some fun games would be pretty cool. And I think like some new games to put into the mix would be awesome. I already picked one game up yesterday. It's the one with like the sticks and you pull them out and there's like the marbles inside and the marbles, and if you like make the marbles fall out, then you lose. I think the kids would really like that. I know Eliza will for sure like it. This little side table is very nice. I wonder how much it is. Alright, it's $50. Let's not look at it too hard. Oh, I got 2 of these yesterday at another Goodwill, and they were only $10, which is crazy. These are $25. Ah. Oh, these are actually pretty nice. They're $20 each. Those are nice. We have more of those outdoor plant stands. Oh, this chair is pretty interesting too. This one's 30 bucks. Look at that. Oh, it's kind of wobbly, but it probably just needs to get screwed in more. Every time I see this thing, I like it. Oh, this is a round carpet. How fun. I like the print and color of it. Oh yeah, this was like $30. Everyone wanted me to buy this yesterday on Instagram, but I didn't buy it. I have so many of these kind of things, and it's $30. So maybe if it was like 15. Oh, I'm obsessed with this thing. This is one that I would buy if it was like on sale. But this is 50 bucks. It's so nice though. And it's so heavy. Oh, they have a white marble version of this. This one is 50 bucks too. Yeah, that's pretty nice. Bunch of kitty litter. Console table. It's always interesting to see what's inside of these things because, oh, like this is really nice. Towel tower. So cute. Okay, so people ask all the time how I find out what like these box items are when they're closed. So it's like the brand is Duo. Look at the name. Type that into Google and then you can find it. So this is this side table, Zuo Furniture Design District Walnut side table. That's what that looks like. Retails for about $300. And over here we have the chair, which I think, I don't know if it's this. I don't think so. Let's look it up. The price, you guys, is only $20, which is crazy. I think I'm just gonna open this up and see what it looks like inside of here. Since it's already opened anyway. I just got everything inside the car. Now let's head over somewhere else. Hey guys, okay, so we're back at the house and I am looking to see what there is to eat. It looks like Mom made some egg rolls. And I don't know what this is, but it looks pretty good. I don't know, is it like a dip? I'm gonna have to ask. Don't know what that is, but it looks scrumdiddlyumptious. There's also whatever, oh, some sort of dessert. Okay, we're definitely gonna eat that too. I'm super duper excited. But with that being said, I am actually gonna call it a night. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. I had so much fun. I hope you guys did too. If you guys enjoyed the video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to say hi down below in the comments as well. And don't forget to check out this morning's thrifting video. And the new one goes up tomorrow bright and early at 7. A new vlog up at 2. I love you guys. I'll see you guys all later. Bye. These sushis are so cute. And they're like vintage, but these do not fit me. They're size 42. Oh, this little coach thing is pretty cute. Oh, here's that Louis Vuitton looking thing. Oh, it's like a planner. This is cute. $12.99. This is kind of cute. Mikowski.